So, that is Cosori. Okay, it comes with the user manual. Also, some recipes. Cosori Rice Cooker. Okay, so we take this off first. Let's check it out. Peel here. Start. Okay, you just push it. Whoa. And then it comes with for the rice. Okay, comes with a cup for easy measurement. Basket. Oh, this is the steamer. I like that the basket is stainless steel. Got the pot. And that's your heating element. So I want to make champorado. It's a Filipino snack made of rice. Basically, it's a chocolate rice pudding. Wash and clean first with soap and water. We're gonna put it inside. Mode, click mode twice, and then steam. Yeah, steam and then start. Okay. Whoa. Okay, and then we're gonna discard the water. This is the washed rice. We're gonna add water to it. So also 1 whole can of coconut milk, and then the rest we're just gonna stir it. I'll probably add a little bit more water, fresh chocolate. So we're just gonna put it in the middle. We'll add a little bit more water. Gonna add a little sugar after. Gonna stir it a little bit. Mode. Oh, you have to press this. Medium, short, long grain. We'll do porridge. Is this white rice? Yeah, it'll go there. And then start. Wow, 50 minutes. Now it's cooking. I'm gonna stir it first. Yung ating chocolate. Okay, that's our rice. Chocolate rice pudding. Alright, so we're gonna continue cooking. Yay. And then we'll add a little bit of sugar. I will also steam some vegetables, broccoli and cauliflower. I cut it in little pieces. And also this is the water. I added salt, pepper, and garlic. Fresh garlic. Wow. So let's try. Uy, talagang